to change it on both of them when I'm on the computer and I'm on the, well, both are computers. When I'm on my laptop and when I'm on my cellular phone, I need to change both of them. So that just might be, oh, we're right at 2 minutes and we've got two people here. Hello. Hello, person. We are looking at English language homophones today. We can call them homophones. And so I've got a few of them here. I'm not sure how long I'm going to make this video, if I'm going to do a short live stream. But the first one we're going to look at here is frequency. So I'm doing the English language, the homophone. I think, did I have it? Yeah, I think I had it right. Let me look up the homophone. Okay, homophone. Okay, here we'll get it out here. I needed homophones are words that sound alike but have different meanings, and that's what these are. Homophones, because they have different meanings. So we've got frequency, and there's words nested within words. So we've got, and they're also considered word salad within the internet as well. But this is how teachers teach in real life. Well, if they were good teachers, because I know that we were supposed to read. All we did when I was a kid was read a book. The teacher would tell us once what a homophone was, and we were supposed to read it in the book and then understand. I remember doing this stuff when I was a kid, and I remember absolutely not comprehending any of it. I didn't understand this. And I understood TOO and TO, two, and TWO. I could not remember that they were called homophones. I didn't comprehend the other words. Like frequency would have been above my head when I was in the 3rd grade. This would have been above my head. So we've got FREQ, freak, and then Quincy, QUENCY. You know what else we've got here? I'm going to add on here. For those of you in the Midwest, Quincy, Illinois, QUINCY. Quincy, Illinois is where, I believe that's where Tom Sawyer and Huckleberry Finn was written, around the Mississippi River. And then we had the Quincy show, Quincy MD. Yeah, well, yeah, that's what people always say when we do this stuff. They drop off because they say it's boring. You know, I feel the same way about the rest of y'all's content too. That your content is boring. I'm just going to get that out there. So, I'm going to get that out there. I think your content's boring too, especially you search engine optimization people. Your content is very boring. Because we understand search engine optimization, and we don't need to be told it over and over and over and over and over again. We just do not need to be told about search engine optimization over and over again. We want to do it our way, and your way. When you do search engine optimization, it's just benefiting you. It's not benefiting the rest of us. When you do your networks, you're not helping the rest of us. You're just helping your own self. Because not all of us are in networks. And you guys are hiring people from Asia and Russia and other countries to benefit your networks. That's what you're doing. But let me continue on with talking about what I wanted to talk about, which is the word salads of the internet, because this is how teachers teach. And so frequency, what is a frequency? I should ask that. What is a frequency? Because you have a frequency of how much you do something. You also have a frequency which is bandwidth. The police use a frequency. As I remember, I liked the police scanners. Scanner is another one of those words. A scanner, because on the internet we have a scanner, we have optical character recognition. Hang on a second here. We just had, hello, is Melanie Garcia. Hello, Melanie Garcia. So maybe I should ask the question, what is frequency? First, I need to write homophone. H-O-H, I spelled it wrong. P-H-O, and homophone. And what is frequency? What is frequency? Q-U-E